Hello everyone, my name is Gail, and today we're talking about autism disclosure on social media. So autism disclosure, or choosing to tell another person that you're autistic, is a really complex and personal experience for many individuals. And while disclosure can have many positive impacts, such as increased understanding, acceptance, strengthening of personal relationships, there are actually some potential risks as well. It can expose the individual to being misunderstood, dismissed, judged negatively, or even the subject of harmful stereotyping. And so we know that much of the research that has been done on autism disclosure and its impacts have really been done in experimental studies using fictional scenarios or using surveys, interviews and focus groups. But what the present study did is that the authors looked at publicly available social media to look at the diversity and richness of real-life experiences of autism disclosure. So the authors analysed data across 3 years from about 2020 to 2022 to look at what autistic adults and stakeholders expressed about autism disclosure on Twitter and Reddit posts. So what the researchers found were several themes about the types of things that people were posting about or talking about. One really big theme was that autism was really just poorly understood. Users were saying that their identity was commonly questioned or misbelieved. There were specific negative experiences in different settings like employment or relationships with others and even from healthcare professionals, and really negative and problematic portrayals in mass media, which all places a really high emotional burden on individuals. Another theme really suggested that people just want to be treated with respect and dignity and to be treated just as human. Amongst all of these really challenging negative themes that were emerging, there were some positive themes as well, that autistic disclosure can really benefit society and lead to positive changes through advocacy and challenging those stereotypes. And lastly, there was a theme that the burden really needs to also be on non-autistic people to provide safe and inclusive environments that facilitate positive responses to disclosure and improves the outcomes associated with disclosure. So this is a really interesting study. So it provides a really direct call to action for us to challenge those social perceptions about autism and reduce the spread of misinformation. And social media is something that we all consume, and you might even be consuming this on a social media platform of your choice. And the things we consume on social media really have a powerful impact on the ways in which we understand, behave and treat other people. And this paper really adds to this body of evidence that says that for all of us and researchers and policymakers really combined need to do things that directly target the societal and structural factors that result in stigma and discrimination that are experienced by autistic individuals.